are a nation on wheels. And wherever we go, there is always available the fuel to power our cars. The gasoline we get in service stations such as this, typical of the kind in Moscow, Idaho. Whatever the needs of your car, just name it. Gasoline? Sure. Tailor-made for the season, climate, and whatever make or age your car might be. American service station ingenuity, born of free enterprise, abounds with services. Check the water? But of course. Service without having to ask for it. It is one of the most important products of the modern independent dealers in America